when you're transitioning from tile to carpet,
when you tack in the carpet,
okay, so back today. I'm going to finish this floor finally, and then tomorrow we'll grout. So let me just show you what we have. So this is what I got left. I put in, I think it was these last 4 rows in here yesterday, and I couldn't go any further. It might have been the 3, I'm not sure. I think it was, anyway, whatever. So now I can reach and finish that. The GC came, fixed the door. I'm going to put a Schluter metal at the end of the tile to protect the edge when we turn the rug. And so I'm just going to cut these few pieces in, cement that down, and then I get as much crap out of here as I can. Okay, so when you're transitioning from tile to carpet, you always want to protect the edge of that carpet, especially when you got a carpet guy or someone else coming in to tuck the carpet. I'm going to do this one myself, so it's not a big deal. But if they ever decide to change the carpet in this room, you want the tile edge to be protected. So I like to use a Schluter metal. There's a bunch of different manufacturers that make very similar edges. So the leg goes under the tile, and that way when you tack in the carpet, it'll look nice and clean, and you won't chip your tile. So you want the top of that edge to be flush with the tile. So this tile here is 3/8 of an inch, but my edge, my metal, is a 1/2 inch. And the reason you do that is because you're going to have thin set under there, and you're going to struggle to try and keep the top of the tile even with the top of the edge, because you got thin set and it's going to build it up. So if you get, on these large format tiles, if you get a 1/2 inch metal instead of the 3/8 inch, which matches the tile exactly, you're going to be much more easily able to get that edge to be exactly right. If it's smaller tiles, then no, use the right size, the same size as a tile. But for larger format tiles where you have a thick notch trowel underneath, you want to use a metal that's slightly deeper than the tile. So for anyone wondering, this is tile. Okay, so I got it all cut in. There's nothing, these 2 rows aren't cemented down. Those last 4 rows aren't cemented down, but I got it all cut in. And I'm going to mix some thinset and finish this job up. And then clean up this entire area so tomorrow I can grout the floor. I did this whole floor with this cutter, the Montolit, and the IQ 228 Cyclone. The whole thing. Okay, so tile is all done, all finished. I'm just going to pull out these horseshoe spaces and pack up some of these tools to make room. Okay, so tile's all down and I cleaned up a little bit. So tomorrow I'm gonna grout the floor first, and then I'm gonna move everything out of the shower and then grout the shower. I cleaned, I'll take this down tomorrow because I don't have room in my truck to put this in right now. So this is the floor. and all the stuff in the shower. So tomorrow I'll clear all this out. Now I'm going to take all this trash out of here, and tomorrow I'll knock out the remaining clips that I did today. So this whole floor will be clear, and I'll be able to grout it and then move on to the shower and finish that.